All right, thanks, Brendan. University Hospital and USA's Children's and Women's are 2 of 8 hospitals in the state slated to get the first round of the COVID-19 vaccines. The hospitals have the capability to store the vaccines at the required temperatures. Our Hal Sherrick is joining us live now from University Hospital, where some of the details about all of that were discussed today. So Hal, do we know how many doses they're going to be getting and also when they're coming in?
Well, there won't be many, we know, in this first round. Just 2,000 here at University Hospital and 1,000 at Children's and Women's. Now, as far as how they'll be dispersed, there's strict regiments and guidelines for that. And as to when, hospital officials could just say they expect them to arrive within the next week. Now, Assistant Chief Medical Officer for USA Health, Michael Chang, answered many questions about how and when vaccinations would be handled. The first round will be the Pfizer version, which must be stored at extremely cold temperatures. In the days following, other area hospitals should also begin receiving shipments. The vaccine developed by Moderna will also be sent to hospitals around the state once the FDA gives the okay. It could likely be months, though, before the general public can get it. That's because supplies are very limited, and healthcare workers, first responders, and others in high-risk categories will be the first to get it. Now, these first 2,000 doses here that they're going to be getting at this hospital and the 1,000 over at the Children's and Women's are what they call booster doses. So that means that the folks who get those will have to come back with the Pfizer version in 21 days to get a second round. You can see how complicated it could be for the scheduling. It all depends on the quantity and time frame of when we get these in. Now, we'll hear from Dr. Chang a little bit later on Fox 10 News at 5 p.m. see how he thinks that will all be handled. Reporting live in Mobile, Hal Sherrick, Fox 10 News.